Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So guys, if you are unaware, utilities like MisakaX or Nugget will not work with iOS 18.1 beta 5 or higher, and in this video I will show you how you can downgrade to either iOS 18.1 beta 4 or iOS 18.0 final version, which as of 24th of September are currently signed. The method shown in this video is completely free. Also, please note that if you are watching this video later and these versions are not signed, this method will not work for you. As you can see, I have this iPhone 12 which is indeed on iOS 18.1 beta 5. You can also see it on device. Also, when you downgrade, you will lose all data, so please make sure that you use iTunes or you can use 3U tools to back up all your data so that after the downgrade you can restore it. This method should work on all devices which are supported by iOS 18. Now, to make it much easier, you can use 3U tool. 3U tool is completely free and you can get it from its official website for Windows. And to make it work, you will have to install iTunes. You can get iTunes from the official Apple's website. Now, after opening 3U tools, simply connect your iOS device via USB. You can see the version. It is currently on iOS 18.1 beta 5. Now simply hit Smart Flash and all the versions which are currently signed for this device will be shown here. As you can see, currently iOS 18.0 final version is signed, and if you check out this drop down menu, you can see iOS 18.1 beta 4 is also signed. In this video, we will downgrade our device to iOS 18.0 final version, but if you want to downgrade to iOS 18.1 beta 4, you can simply select it from this drop down menu, and you can see imported because I already imported it previously, but for you, you will see this download button. Hit download. It will download the IPSW. Then you can use quick flash mode to simply flash it to your device. You can either hit the download button here and it will automatically download the IPSW for you, and you can simply quick flash to your device. And if you want to import the file, means you have the file already, you can simply hit this import button. Now, to get the IPSW for iOS 18.0 final version for your device, you can use IPSW.me. It is completely free. You can simply select your device from here. So I have an iPhone. I will select it, and then from this list of devices I will select my device. So I have iPhone 12, and then it will show you all the versions which are signed for this device. So here on IPSW.me, you can see iOS 18.0 is currently signed. Now, if you are unsure if it is the right file for your device, you can simply use this device information tab and note the identifier here. So I have this iPhone 13,2. Now simply go to 3U tools, go to iDevice, and then in product type you can match the identifier to make sure that it is the correct file. Now in the IPSW step, simply hit it, scroll down and get the IPSW to your PC. Now once again, open 3U tools, go to Smart Flash, simply select iOS 18.0 in my case, and then hit the import button, and then simply select the file you just got, hit open, and please wait for it to verify. Alright, as you can see, it is now imported. Now simply hit quick flash mode here, then hit flash. Also from here, if you didn't, you can simply back up your device so that you can restore your data after the downgrade. Now simply hit the flash button. Make sure you have ample hard drive space, about 9 to 10 GB are required. The process will start. I will pause the video here and I will resume it once it is complete. Alright, as you can see, the downgrade is complete. Now if you check out iDevice, you can see my iPhone 12 is now on iOS 18.0 final version. Now at this point, when you open iTunes, you can see you are greeted with this screen with the option to restore from backup which you already created. I will set up it as new phone, and after setting my device up, you can see It is now on iOS 18.0 final version, and you can see it on device also. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.